My favorite Iceland is Powerpuff Iceland because they are communicate by touching themselves.
My favorite island is Island of Hope because there isn't racism.
My favorite island of
I cannot live on the island of Lost because money is the trouble.
My favorite island is Island of Hope because this is my home island.
My favorite island is Island of Hope because there isn't racism.
Island. It's my favorite island because it is our own island.
Çürümüş et oldu.
oldu.
That's okay.
Bakın nasıl koyacağım yukarıyı? Ben buraya nasıl koyacağım?
Bilmediğim bir hayatı düşünemiyorum. Bilmediğim bir hayatı düşünemiyorum.
Rules. No one. No dogs are allowed. 2. Don't get close to each other. 3. Just eat fish. 4. You shouldn't smoke.
5. You mustn't use mobile phone. 6. You mustn't go out in the sun without sun cream on. 7. No parties.
Rules. No dogs are allowed. Don't get close to each other. Just eat fish. You shouldn't smoke.
You mustn't use mobile phone. You mustn't go out in the sun without sun cream on. No parties.
Ben de özledim ben de resmin var şu an elimde sana kosmak isterim derman yok dizlerimde ben de özledim ben de resmin var şu an elimde sana kosmak isterim derman yok dizlerimde ben de özledim ben de resmin var şu an elimde sana kosmak isterim derman yok dizlerimde.